I'm reminded of a service where Brother Campbell prophesied, I'm ready to love you forever. Hey, Braid Wig. And we were left with Brother Payne. All I have are wigs, 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 no matter what.
Got full lace on my mind.
I can never get enough. Or whatever the words was. Y'all, this looks so fire. This look fire. Turn to your neighbor and say, fire. Huh? Hey, y'all, what's going on today? I said, hey, y'all, what's going on today? Listen, if you hear a echo, I am so sorry. I have a screen up here so I can really see what's going on in my filming.
Because I'm professional.
But it's doing this weird sound. Y'all hear that? Do y'all hear that? Y'all like my wifey? My husband told me I got to wear this everywhere. You my wifey, only the mic to be, we, but you want it to be, me, only when it comes to me, see, that's the only part I know. You in the is you in my and the bomb and the 9 wood. I had to have you, babe. I know that part. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Today I have something so special. Let me stop looking at that. Today I have something so special, y'all. Listen, here's the thing. So I love braid wigs. I love finding amazing braid wigs on Amazon. Y'all know that. But what you may not know is most of the wigs that you've seen me do have been like loose braids, right? Like box braids, faux locks, stuff like that. Cornrow braid wigs, they just, I don't know, when I see them, I'm just never excited. It never makes me go, ooh, and that's what I'm looking for. Because the wig looks great, but when you put it on, it's when you put it on. You feel me? It's when you put it on and it be like, It'd be so tragic, y'all, because see, the wig is beautiful, the person wearing it is gorgeous. I'll be like, this is a match made in heaven, right? And then as soon as it's on there, I'll be like, well, and it's not the person's fault. For some reason, just cornrow based braid wigs just don't sit all the way. It be right there, but it's just, you know,
99.5 won't do.
Okay? Y'all think it will, it won't. You think it does, it don't. But I found one, y'all, and I'm gonna tell you something. The picture is so cute that I said I'm gonna give it a try. And I love this company. I have wore several of their braid wigs before. I have been floored by how amazing their braid wigs are, y'all. I'm telling you. I'm gonna link this particular wig, but I'm also gonna link their store, period. So you can go through and see their braid wigs. Oh my goodness. And they just dropped some new wigs, y'all. They were kind enough to let me know. I was like, yes, girl, thank you. I actually grabbed a few of them. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, this is gonna be so cute. And it's one of those hidden, like it's a hidden cornrow in there. Look, come on. I want this to turn out right so bad. I do. I swear I do. If I get this to work, it's over with. It's over with. It's over with. Their wigs are always constructed beautifully. So that right there, I'm not even shocked. Look at that. Look how nice that is. Uh-oh. Look how nice that is. Come on. Quit playing with them. I love their wigs, okay? Let me just show you what it looks like. Y'all, I'm so ready to put this on my head. I'm about to cut this talk apart. First of all, let me say this. You know, sometimes braid wigs can be a little heavy, just depending on your tolerance. And I don't like heavy wigs, so I totally get it. This is very light. Let me just tell you, this is very light. I mean, it's ridiculously light. And maybe that has something to do with the fact that it's a cornrow wig. Less loose braids, maybe. I don't know. But baby, this thing's so fire. Baby, this thing is fire. You hear me? They got a little thing in there now. Look, they're growing, y'all. We getting little slips in the packet now. Yes, come on now. Come on now. Yes. Do you know our wig laces are hand ventilated and expertly made by experienced African braiders? Look. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then they have wig installation and care guide on the back and how to maintain your wig. Come on, Forever Braids. I love it. Y'all will never understand. I love it. I love it. I love it. Sometimes vendors will have all the talent, but they don't have the money to back them to be seen and to be pushed to the front of the line. Nobody sees it. You know what I'm saying? So, honey, and they were like, we're so glad. We thought that Amazon just happened to push our little brand up. I said, girl, that was the cousins. She was like, you will never know what this means to, our braiders and da-da-da. So listen, y'all, don't think that what you're doing goes unnoticed. I appreciate y'all so much. I'm ready to put this wig on my head. If you cannot tell, I'm about to get dressed in everything, kid. I'm about to be fly. Next time, well, not next time, because you're going to see me put the wig on and stuff, and I'm still going to have this on. But I'm about to get dressed. I'm about to get dressed. I'm not going anywhere because we have the remnants of the hurricane. Y'all stay safe. Stay in the house because they telling us in North Carolina to stay in the house. So if y'all in the path, stay safe, okay? Sending prayers out to everybody in that storm's path. Feel free to check in the comments to let us know that y'all are okay. All right, I'm about to throw this wig on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. You want to be a part of the K team? Channel members, huh? Hit that join. Y'all, let's get into this.
The same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love. Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want bigger rocks. I got plans, you got talk. I it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, build empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions, I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss to the